Once again, I don't know why I'm not adding our intro. Because it takes more time, and I don't like to waste time. My time is valuable. But yes, Hazel had puppies. And while she's not around, I'll show you all. So, we have 2 girls, 1 boy. I was worried we weren't going to be able to post about him because, of course, we weren't able to upload. Okay, guys, give me 1 sec. What? What's the name of it? Don't play it. Go out. Go out. No. Okay, sorry about that. But I'll show you the girl one first. We've named them and everything. This one's Poppy. We named them all after flowers or plants. This one's Poppy. We named it Poppy because it has 1 white paw. And then...
Is that really long?
Yeah. So, let me show you. They can stand and walk pretty good now. Come on, Poppy. Come here. Come on, Poppy. Come here. Poppy. Come on. Come here. Come here. Do over here. Come on, Poppy. Oh, Poppy, show me walk. Come on, Poppy, walk. Walk, Poppy. So this is the oldest one. Okay, want to go back in? So this is Poppy, the oldest one. Used to be my favorite, not anymore.
That's
Huh,
real,
Poppy.
Jacob.
Oh, she's still so sweet, though. I love them all. I hope you like our tie-dye shirts, though. Whoa, Poppy. No, don't fall. No, Poppy. Okay, you're going back.
Dada, why do you have a
You've
double
gone
nipple?
cuckoo. Okay, you're going to go back. Then I'll show you guys Lily, the one Mason named.
Hey, is that a good name, guys?
Oh, Lily. Lazy Lily. Guys,
Shark Simulator?
this is the... Don't play it, Mace. Just wait for me, okay? Wait till I get done with this. So, guys, this is Lily,
I'm clicking on this
the sweet
thing.
day.
Okay.
Can you stand for them? Or are you just going to lay down? Because you're tired, like always. You're probably just going to lay down, huh? So, Lily is a girl just like Poppy. Oh, good job. Good job, Lily. Yeah, good job. I'm sorry you guys can't see my face. You probably don't care about my face. You only care about the puppies right now.
Yeah,
Yes.
people care about your
They're
face.
so nice. They're so nice. I love them. Then my favorite coming up next is the playful, rambunctious one.
Big head
Sage.
Sage.
Sage! AKA Fat Man. So here's Sage, guys, the most active one. Here's the boy. And this
Why
one
did
is
it all sound like that?
good working.
Actually, they're
Come here, Sage. Oh, sorry, did I flip ya? Come here. It's okay.
Oh
It's okay.
my god.
Come on, Sage. Can you walk to me?
Oh my god.
He does that a lot.
Do we want to play?
Okay, you want to go back?
Yes, we are.
Come here. Come
We're
on,
not
Sage.
doing that
Oh,
thing.
come on.
Dada.
Whoa.
You're gonna get it
And sometimes they get playful and like try and bite a little. Hey, Sage. Here. Come on, Sage. Okay. You don't want to go back. I love him so much. I don't want to have to sell him.
Jacob wants to keep one.
I want to keep them all.
We would keep the black one.
No, we wouldn't.
What
Oh,
would we keep?
oh, Sage. I'm
The
going to give
boy?
him a belly rub.
Would we keep the boy?
No, keep all of them.
If we had to
No,
keep one,
you-
what one would we keep?
He's asking for a belly rub. Oh, he's trying to bite me. Guys, he's going playful. Hey, Sage. So,
Dada,
whoa.
can you-
Oh my gosh, he bit me. Guys, he bit me. No way. Guys, he's actually biting. He's gone mad. Sage, are you mad? Don't get you mad, huh? I'll put him back on his back and zoom in for you guys. Sage. Oh, he bit me. Look, he's got a hold. He's got grip. Oh, he bit me. He's got me. He's got me. Hey, let go. Okay, I'm not gonna let you bite me this time. You're not gonna get away with that this time. You're not gonna get away with that this time. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, let's see if he can get back up off his back. Da da da, da da da, da da da.
Jacob, get him back.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put him back with his family. Or with his siblings.
And see you later, bye. Wait, have you shut him on?
What?
Have you shut him on?
Nope. Okay.
Bye.
Alright guys, see you later. Bye.